at tonight just welcome to my vlog. Maganda pa rin tayong lahat. And welcome back to my channel. And yes, we are here in the travel vlog with my jowang gwapong. At dito kami sa Clavilar, Deutschland. Alam niyo kung bakit Deutschland, Germany. Alam niyo kung bakit kami pumunta dito. Bibili lang kami ng personal hygienes. Pero pang yung mga pang abubot ko sa mukha at sa katawan. Kasi mahal sa Netherlands talaga. Tapos hindi namin alam kung magstay kami dito. Pero gutom na kami dito mga kami may. Punta kami muna. Wow, ang laki nito. Wow, the DM is Nardar. Yeah, that's where we're going. And Taco. Wow. Clavilar. Clavilar. So clever. Oh, ang ganda ng place. In fairness. Hi, Scott.
Hi.
Oh. In fairness, mamaya mga kami tayo ay lalampa doon sa may station ay sa kanilang city doon. Dami ding mga may needle. Oh, laka, ang ganda naman ng kanyang sasakyan transit. Diba nga? Let's go. Punta tayo dyan sa loob at tayo ay kakain. Happy Pasen. Oh, wow. Wow. Ang daming main. Meron na akong broad. Tsaka tea. Isang in order. Akala ko dalawa. Kaloka. Iniwanan ko ng Joe at napakabagal niya, day. Bahala siya. Punta na ako dito sa day. Tinan niyo yung place. Ang ganda. Bago sa paningin natin mga kamime. Kaya let's explore this Clavilar. Let's go to DM shopping the personal Emelatech. Yes, nakapamili na kami mga kamimay. Bumili lang ako ng pang personal hygienes, pang facial wash, ganyan tissue. Mura kasi dito alam nyo naman tayo may hindi porket gala-gala lagi tayo magastos. Tinan mo, Poldorf Villages in Clavilar. What's the name of this one?
Clavilar.
Ganda ng weather, Scott. Nice weather also.
Ja, het is fantastisch weer.
We can go to the center, ja?
Ja, dat gaan we doen. Want ik wil naar Müller en die is in het centrum.
Ja, maybe. This is a house?
Een beetje Nederlands, ja, bijna. Ik weet niet.
Nee.
Kasteel, ik weet het niet.
Nee, dit is een kantoor office.
Well, it looks like a very nice one.
Yeah. Let's go. Yes! We are walking now mga kamimay. Pupunta na tayong centrum. But I want to visit. This is the Kirk, Scott. We can go here. Inside. This is the Kirk. This is the church. This is the church. The church. Dito tayo sa simbahan mga kamimay. Ayun, may pare. Ngayon ang simbahan nila. Happy Easter! They have a communion. Welcome to Clavilar. May mga dala silang yun yung basket. Yan may mga basket sila. Culture ata nila yun. Hindi ko maintindihan. Ayun, mandami nilang dalang basket. Timing kami dito, Easter. Where are we going now, Scott? No, pakaganda naman talaga. Ang ganda ng lugar ng Clavilar. Ang ganda ng sentrum nila, grabe. Ay, ang ngayon. Tingnan nyo, pak! Ang ganda. May pili po ang aking jowa ng final sale. Ano nakita mo? What do you see? It's a cotton of...
95% cotton, yeah.
Ah, so 5% what?
Ik denk edelstaal.
Elastic. Gusto niyo talaga pure cotton. Ako, mahirap itong bilhan.
Where's the 5%?
5% is... What's the 5%?
I don't know. Cannot see. Laat maar.
Final. Let's go inside in a molar. Ay, kuya. I'm so amazed in this place. They have a restaurant. Wow, they have a square. Another church. Wow. A lot. It's big. It's nice. Ay, this is a bag, Scott. Nakaka-amaze naman yung lugar. Ang ganda. As in. Tapos sa likod ko, meron pang mga ano, tirikan ng kandila. Ang jowa. Okay. Oh. Meron ditong simbahan ulit. Ang dami simbahan. 3 simbahan to. Tapos tirikan ng kandila. Ito. Ang galing. Nasa labas. Para lang sa San Pablo. Ganda ng lugar. First time we go here, we are amazed actually. Yeah?
Yeah.
Because it's so nice, yeah? And then, after we go back, kasi 1 hour lang yung aming parking. After we will go back, where we gonna go? We're gonna find some
another
parking.
town.
Oh, another town. Oh, wow.
Gelder. See we can fill up there.
Okay, let's go. Ang ganda ng Germany. Grabe. Ang ganda. Kijk. Tingnan nyo mga kamimay. It's a springtime in Germany. Ang ganda talaga. Punta na naman tayo sa other town. Alam mo naman tong ating kasama. Hindi makali sa isang lugar. Grabe. Nandito kami sa Geldern, City of Germany. Yung jowa mong hindi makakali kung saan-saan kami gustong pumunta. Grabe yung jowa mo talaga, dahil ibang level. Gusto kong saan-saan. Sabi ko, ano ba yan? Nandito na tayo, lilipat na naman tayo. 30 minutes ang biyahe. Enjoy na natin kung nasaan tayo. Nakailang taon na kami. Patatlo na to, dahil. Halika na, explore na natin itong lugar na ito. Geldern, Germany. Oo. Diyos ko, walang katao-tao. Nasa loob lahat, day. Napakatahimik ng lugar, grabe. As in. Oh, walang katao-tao doon. Ito lang ang taong naglalakad. Ayun, meron doon sa dulo. Ang ganda ng mga bahay nila, oh. Grabe. Oh. Ang ganda. Let's go there. Dito na agad tayo sa Centrum. Sa Park of Ang ganda. Oh. Let's go explore this city of one of the city of the Germany. They have DM Oaks cut. Oh wow. Ganda talaga. Welcome to the Year of Life. Diba? Ang kanal nila, oh. Spiral. Para nga naman nasasala. Center nila. Another part. Oh. You need a spark caster. Just have an extra petal, yeah? Yeah, Rossmann. Scott, maybe the Rossmann have Camilla Tay.
Oh ja, vanaf kijken. Neem wat anders doen.
Yeah, in Rossmann. Wow. Yeah, let's go there. Where we going now, Scott? Where we going? To the restaurant. Nice place. Woo. Going there. Circle champagne Germany. Yeah, this is the restaurant Manston. Let's go. Ang laki ng aking beer. God, grabe. Oh, ilang dangkal to?
Actually, I think it's this one, but then they put Sprite.
1.5.
They top up.
Ang laki. Ganito talaga ang beer sa Germany. Ang lalaki. Ay, bubbles pa more. Wow, this is salad. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Oh, this for my.
Just for him. Sorry. Wow. Oh my God, ang laki. Diyos ko, ang laki ng pagkain ko dyan.
Lekker man.
It's so hot, Scott. Let's try to this. Ang laki yan. Grabe. French fries. Deutschland, Germany French fries. They have tomato. They have champignon. Let's try. With the tomato and cheese. Grabe, ang laki talaga.
Maar goed dat we tussen de kip hebben gegeten. De dag ervoor.
Ang lalaki ng mga German. Pero lang malalaki. Ang lalaki ng pagkain, lalaki ng inumin.
Van een double layer schnitzel. Dat is helemaal geweldig.
My God. Triple. I think it's triple layer. 1, 2. But lekker. Sarap. Cheese with the tomato.
Het smaakt het schat.
Champignon. Oh, grabe yung busog. Dapat pala ano lang maliit yung in-order. Wala kasi nakalagay na maliit eh. Pagkatapos kumain, nagreklamo. Na dapat talaga maliit lang. Grabe na doble yun, day. Busog na busog ako, day. Grabe. Halika na. War. Yes! We're back on the road. Akala ko uwi na kami. Magstay kami dito. Ang jowa mong super gala. Ang jowa mong super gala. At nandito na kami sa Düsseldorf, Germany. Dito kami magstay ng 1 night. Dahil gusto niya. Buti na lang may dala akong damit ng isang araw, di ba pa? With the bangs, emotion. Dito tayo sa Düsseldorf, Germany. Pababa na tayo, punta tayo dito sa tutulugan natin, mga kamimay. Let's go. Kasama ang aking jowang super gala, non-stop gala. Pagkasama mo to, kaya ang sarap, lekker. Ismael. Serious yan. Pag nag-drive mga kami, may seryoso. Grabe, ang laki ng L'Oreal, yung office, siguro office nila to. Yan L'Oreal. Yeah, I think this is the office, yeah. It's a Kammer office. Laki. Grabe, Düsseldorf. Yes, this is Düsseldorf na tayo. Welcome to the Düsseldorf. Dorf na Dorf. Ganon. so amazed in Düsseldorf. It's one of the big city of the Germany. Grabe, daming business center dito, day. Madaming business center. Di ba? Oh, yan, the metro. Tram. Gandern. Düsseldorf.
Links aanhouden naar de Zoetnoordtunnel.
Okay, we will go there. Kahit mag-8 na pala, oh, maliwanag pa. City proper. Dito tayo mag-go-go-go-go. Oh, yeah.
Links afslaan.
Crown. Wow, where is the... You go down me in the hotel. I will ask the parking.
I will try to...
Where's the hotel?
Yeah.
D.
U bent aangekomen op uw bestemming.
Dito na kami sa loob ng room. One day. Just one day. You know, Düsseldorf. Ayan, oh. Nice. We can walk in the harbor there later on. And this is the outside. Tahimik naman. It's not so... Not so bad.
Ik heb jouw zonnebril ook even meegenomen.
Oh yeah, thank you. Nandito na rin yung mga gamit. Can we go to the third floor? Let's go to the hotel. Ay, to the hotel. To the toilet. Oh! Not bad, the toilet. Meron siyang shower. Carrot hand. Bad.
Can you remind me that?
What?
This one I put here.
What's that? Let's try the bed. Oh my god, I love the bed. That's why we go back here, because my Joa really love the bed. Then we can bring this one.
Really love the bed too.
For, I don't know what that is like for.
Kom, laten we even naar de auto gaan, man.
Yeah, we go to the auto.
Got a room card?
This is the Düsseldorf. Düsseldorf. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Isang araw lang si kami at ang jowa. Dahil aura kung aura na agad. Where we going, Scott?
Een heel groot dorp.
Ha?
A very big dorp. Düsseldorf.
Old Dorf.
It's the...
Let's go! Oh, this is the store. Shopping. I like to walk. I don't like to...
We walk straight?
Yeah. We walk straight. Oh. A little bit dark already here, but in this one is still a little bit night. A little bit.
Oh yeah. That's what I need to maybe the night view, the night photo is good for this.
Yeah, in this camera.
A little bit of everything.
Scott, why all the decoration is for the Easter egg here in Europe? Also,
because it's Easter tomorrow.
Happy Easter to everyone. He is rising. He is rising.
Yeah,
Yes.
horizon? Where's the horizon?
Jesus is rising above all. And thank you for Jesus. We will cross around.
Wait the traffic light.
Straight. Left. Yun lang mga kami, may sarado na. Wala na tayong makita, sarado na sila, oh. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, oh. It's closing time. Close na mga mall. Dito sa Düsseldorf. Super close na sila. Oh, party in the... Close na ang mga store. Wala na. Closing time. Oh, Golden China. Bocchi Milano. Close na. Bango. So, it's nice. Oh, picture. It's a mall. Ah, very warming. Ah, it's a drinking session.
Yeah, wanna look at the drinking session?
No, I don't like to drink yet. Are you feel to drink? Grabe, may Prada, may Moncler. Lahat na nandito. Tapos dito Dior, Louis Vuitton, Rolex. Oh, sana all. Scott, let's go. Let's go for the Rolex, Scott. I want a Rolex. Shut up. You said to me you're gonna shopping me here in Düsseldorf. That's why you bring me here at night, huh? Because everything is closed.
Window shopping.
Oh my God. That's why you said to me you're gonna give me here. You're gonna be shopping me here in Düsseldorf. That's why you bring me here at night. Just only for window shopping. Yes. Ang tawa. Ang tawa. Oh, no. Dadaan lang tayo sa Mont Blanc. Daan-daan lang tayo, dai. Wow, the Düsseldorf. Wow. I wanna see this again. Nakapost siya doon, dai. Ayaw niya umalis. Ganda, oh. Pak. Oh. Düsseldorf. In the night. Huh? Please, faster, faster. It's green. Faster. There's a bar area, Scott. Daming tao, grabe, oh. Oh yeah, we've been there. Nice to go back. I remember I have a photo here. Last time. Yeah. Grabe. There's a river. Yeah? Yeah, no? Grabe. Oh, there's a tower. Scott. Yeah, that's the Tower of Düsseldorf. The tower.
Mama.
Wow, Düsseldorf. Wow, Düsseldorf at night. Yes, nice. That's a party. And this is my party. Charet. And that's the tower. Look, the tower power. Wow. Woo! Party pa more! Party pa more! Woo! Düsseldorf. Grabe, ang daming tao. A real bar street. Party, party! Pulitsi.